Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to share with you my Easter baskets for my little ones. I will have a 6-year-old boy and a 2.5-year-old daughter. So I have filled up their baskets here, and we will go through everything that's in each basket. A lot of these items you can get from Target, or I got it from Amazon, so I will try and link everything down below that you can get online or can add to your Target pickup order as well. So let's get into it. With the items that are going to be in both the baskets that I have not divvied up yet until after this video, but I have a couple of candies here. I have these Sour Patch Kids bunnies, and I also have the Twix eggs candies. And then I got these two bubble from Amazon. There is a pink and a blue one, and there's two bubble solutions in here. So I'm gonna put one in each of their baskets so they can play with it. But I didn't know how messy that was gonna be, and I just got this in the mail. So those are the things that I need to still put in their basket. So let's get into my daughter's Easter basket. I have a whole bunch of stuff here. So let's get into it. So the first thing here is a Rainbow Peep Pop. I have purchased these since my son was 2-3 years old. Love them. My daughter does have an egg allergy, so I can't get too many treats and sweets. Have to look at the ingredient list for her for that. Then I found this, I believe, in the dollar spot at Target. This is the Crayola Tutti Frutti Scented Confetti Bath Bomb. And this was $3 in the dollar section. Also found these cute little M&M eggs for the basket. Cups are like a necessity for my kids. My daughter loves the Zat cups. We don't have a stainless steel one. We have the regular ones. We have like a bluey, and I can't remember the other kind, but I saw this princess one at Target and thought it would be really nice to have for her. We love these. In the dollar section as well, there are a whole bunch of goggles for kids, so we picked out the little unicorn goggles. I love getting a craft for my kids for any holiday, so I have these Easter egg paint craft set. She also is needing a new bathing suit, so I am a big fan of ruffle butts, and their one pieces are amazing. I love that they have long sleeve, especially when we're at the beach or spending a super long time at the pool. So I saw this popsicle one on Amazon and I thought it was super cute, and the back of it with the ruffle is so adorable. So grabbed her new bathing suit. I have a little baby chocolate bunny. I feel like normally when I get the really big chocolate bunnies, they never really finish it. So I have a baby one here. We have an Ariel. This is a floating figure. So this floats on top of the pool. We have a mercat from Gabby's Dollhouse as well, so you can get that as well. That's something for the pool or beach we love to have. The dollar section as well, it was $1, is some Peep chalk. Comes in pink, purple, and blue. My son has one in his basket as well. And then I have another kind of gummy blocks. These were really neat. They're like gummy Legos in a way. So I thought that would be cool, mainly for my son, but grabbed one for my daughter as well. I have two Easter books here for her. This is Coco Melon, the Easter Surprise. She actually saw this in store when she shopped with me, and I grabbed it and she forgot about it, luckily. So I have this in her basket. Also saw the Bluey Easter book. My mom also found another Bluey Easter lift and flat book. If I can find that, I will post a picture here and link it down below. But that one's super cute. Maddie's getting from her Amy. So I have this book, and then I have two coloring books. So one I got from the dollar section. This is the Jumbo Coloring and Activity book with like a little unicorn on it. And then this next one is God Made Me Special, a coloring activity book for girls. And this is like word search, a little bit more Christian Bible base, so I thought that would be good for her as well. Moving on to my son's, like I mentioned, he will be 6 years old. If you are interested in my other Easter basket videos, I film these every year. I do them. I will link them down below and in the cards for you guys who are interested. So let's dive into this. He has lost cups and is very picky about his cups, but we love simple modern. So I saw this Transformers one from Amazon and had to grab it for him, and then I found this one at Target that is like space. So some new cups for him, necessity for that boy. He also has those Mega Block gummies, and he has a baby bunny. Also got him a confetti bath bomb. This one isn't as pink, it's kind of like a blue-green. Also has the blue sidewalk chalk. Has the Peeps pop, and he has 3 eggs as well. And then the rest of the stuff is a little bit different. He has the M&M egg. Found this, there's a whole bunch of versions of this right now in the Bullseye Playground. This is from Fun Bricks. This is like a little Lego creature. They had a couple other ones. I got him the parrot one when it was available. I saw these paint sticks. Jackson loves painting, drawing, all that kind of stuff. So I have these paint sticks. I was going to split them between the baskets, but I figured I'll just put in his basket. They could share. Jackson's very into Legos, so I got this little Lego set from Pokemon. It is 6 and up in a Bulbasaur style. He has a Squirtle one that he loved. We love Pete the Cat, so Pete the Cat and the Easter Basket Bandit is the book I picked out for him this year. And then he has a God Made Me Special coloring book, an activity book for boys. And I got him a coloring book as well, the Peeps version as well. These are also really great for bringing for church and things like that. So that is everything I put in my kids' Easter basket this year. Let me know what you have put in your kids' Easter basket in the comments down below. Like I mentioned, I film these videos every year, so I can link down below my 5-year-old son and my 1-year-old, 2-year-old daughter, what they got last year. So look for those if you're interested, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise